Hello everybody and welcome to yet another exciting episode of Tyrant's Garage. Yep, you guessed it, I'm in my vibes and we're finna have ourselves a damn good time here on the show today. A wonderful collective update coming your way. That's right, we find ourselves in the age of Aquarius. All the pyramids and all the nodal points of planet Earth are alchemic chambers designed to infuse magic, or Ka, into the collective psyche. What does that mean? Well, I'll tell you. You're gonna be experiencing high degrees of intuitive extrasensory perception. Yes, that's right. Every being on planet Earth is perfectly ingrained and encoded with the DNA sequence necessary to be telepathically active. That's right, you've got telepathy, and you've got the ability to feel and guide and move based on your intuition. Yes. On Universal U, we understand that all minds are individualized aspects of universal consciousness experiencing itself, and when you grasp that every single thing, every vibrational node is an aspect of your universal consciousness from an eternal aspect or an eternal perspective, well, it's pretty easy then. It's pretty easy to comprehend that eternal love is absolute. Oh, yes. We're having ourselves a good time here on the show today. I'm going to take away the 60s voice, but I don't think I really want to because I'm kind of enjoying it. We're going to light a little bit of frankincense here on the show to commemorate the dawn of the age of Aquarius. That's right, we find ourselves in an era of unceasing love and prosperity. Planet Earth has finally entered into an harmonic state of being. And what does that mean for her children? Well, I'll tell you what that means. It means that there is love. There is only love. That's right. Every maths problem, every question, every pursuit, every curious endeavor made by humanity, the final answer, the answer to the eternal question is love. And that love resides deep within your heart. Yes, you've got a divine spark. You're connected to all and everything. If you look at the All-Stars, well, let me tell you something about All-Stars. All-Stars converse. That's right, All-Stars converse. What does that mean? Well, I'll tell you. It means that every center of every toroidal field is connected to all other centers of every toroidal field. And every vertex of the star's tetrahedron extends infinitely outwards. You are an essential nodal point in the collective consciousness of humanity, and your very, very existence is crucial to the harmonic state of being we find ourselves in. Yes. Existence is consequential to the experience of reality, and you, my friend, are very, very real. Love yourselves, everyone. Love yourselves. This particular episode of Tyrant's Garage is brought to you by Meswak Toothpaste. Meswak for a healthy pineal gland. We're going to listen to some Heldum and Dynheim, and we're going to zone out to some good tunes on the show today and have ourselves a damn good time. What is Heldum and Dynheim? Heldum and Dynheim is really great Viking music that I like to listen to when it's stormy and raining. That's right, we've got ourselves a beautiful, beautiful bit of quantum entanglement happening this morning. That's right. I have the fortune of being in connection to my queen. What does that mean? Well, that means that the cool Michigan-Detroit weather gets to materialize over here in sunny South Africa, counteracting the adverse effects of climate change. By the way, here on Tyrant's Garage, we advocate. What do we advocate? We advocate eco-friendly green living. That's right. We gotta keep these oceans clean. We gotta look after our realm. Tiamat's more than capable of looking after herself, but you as the custodians of this gorgeous realm have the immense responsibility of doing her the kindness and care of making her feel loved and appreciated. This is Bloodfest by Dunheim and Haldum. I don't really feel like listening to a song called Bloodfest. I feel like listening to Vorva by Dizva. This is Vorva by Dizva, and it makes the wind swirl, and it makes the rain churn, and it makes the clouds swing and sway in sweet harmony. Let's listen to a little bit of this while I spark up some incense on the show today in commemoration of the dawn, the penultimate harmonious awakening of planet Earth. Sela Sara, Sela, Sela, Sela. L'chaim, Caligula. I decree, declare, and affirm by the ignition of this very stick of incense that the aroma, that the smoke corresponds and correlates only to the most positive vibrations, that of love, that of wisdom, that of power, as decreed and declared by me, the great I, the 3 times named and many times forged. Love, wisdom, power. The synergy of the 3 as one conscious mind. The harmony of the divine feminine, divine masculine, and divine child as one absolute consciousness. Androgynous Tiamat doth shine, and we stand in the light eternally divine. Yao Huda Christ Allah Yod How Vau Yigdra, Yigdra, Yggdrasil, the world tree. Namaste to all you watching. The spirit in me recognizes the spirit in you. Namaste. Ginger beer. Make it rain, son. Make it rain. Eleven 11:22. 11:33. Till the 12 and the 1. Microphone check, 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 1, check, 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 checkity 1, 1, 1, check, check, microphone. Woo. Yes, let's have ourselves a wonderful time here on the show. Woo. Get some. Yeehaw. Ride 'em, cowboy, ride 'em. Wunderbar, wunderbar, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Yes, we're having ourselves a damn good time here on the show today, and I have an incredible announcement for you. To everybody that's been paying attention to the various book releases, Tyron's Honest Grimoire, or the Honest Grimoire series, is out now, and you can find the Kabbalistic Master Ritual in the Amazon stores today. That's right. Well, let me check the Kindle Direct Publishing site here and make sure that we're alive. Let me just type in KDP here. KDP, 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 KDP. This is probably going to be the part of the video where I put some music over in post-production, which is alright. Although I'm not really partial to post-production, I am, you know, there's a lot to be said for being you know, in the editing room, there's a lot of sincere work that happens in the editing room. I just really need to check the KDP here. Oh gosh, now I have to sign in again. Here we are. Oh good, we're live! Yes, we're live! Guys, the book's live! Yes, the Kabbalistic Master Ritual. Check it out. We also have the Honest Grimoire Primer to the Arcane Arts. Remember, the Honest Grimoire series is a collection. It's a series of magical rituals and arcana, sorcery, magic, woo, ether, quantum mechanics, whatever you want to call it. It's a series of books teaching you guys how to do magic, real magic. The first book covers Anunnaki Ulema magic, sacred Talabati work. That's right, more in the vein of the Middle East, I grant you. Works prominently utilized in the height of Persia. That's right, the world of flying carpets and jinn and genies and wish granting and fire magic. Gorgeous stuff. And we have the Kabbalistic Master Ritual. That's right, QMR, the Kabbalistic Master Ritual by Tyron Bowers. That's me. Issue number 2 of the Honest Grimoire series out now, and it's available for free in KDP select stores. That's right, if you've got Kindle, if you're subscribed to Kindle, you can go and flick through this page for free. I mean, through the pages of the book for free. Yeah, that's something you can do. Go and do that. It's a great book. And I'll be releasing the Egyptian Master Ritual very soon for those of you more inclined with the the ancient Khemites. But it's all alchemy. If I've learned anything from publishing this particular book, is that alchemy and Tantra are synonymous. If you understand the chemical, well look, basically, if you understand that the universe is just a series of chemical reactions, then you know that Tantra and alchemy are exactly the same. And isn't that just gorgeous? I think that's kind of hot, but also really inspiring. There's a reason we like the sound of the birds and the bees, my friends. There's a reason for that. Haha. Yes, I'm on a brief sabbatical, as you can tell. I want to say something about that regarding mental health. If you're writing books, if you're publishing, if you're prolific in your field of study, remember to take a break every now and then. I know that a lot of people watching these videos are students of mine who subscribe to the courses that I post on Udemy. I know that a lot of people who are subscribed to my channel, I know that you guys are students for my courses as well, and I just want to say, if you're doing this work to establish your own practice or be prominent and prolific in the field of metaphysical science, remember to pace yourself, remember to take moments of self-care, remember to enjoy a lovely hot bubble bath every now and then and get your nails did. Look at my nails. Look at my nails. They turn pink in the sun, by the way. These gorgeous nails, they turn pink in the sunlight. They're a gorgeous magenta, kind of a turquoise magenta mix, and they're quite fabulous. And you know, it's just a sign, really. Take the opportunity in life to stop and smell the roses, and not just the roses. Smell the magentas and the geraniums, and the lotus blossoms and the dandelions and the magnolias too, because as long as you've got the ability to experience the gorgeous beauty of life, it's so totally worth cherishing. It's totally worth cherishing. You've got to cherish the beauty of life. You really do. And I suggest that highly. Also, given the state humanity finds itself in, there's a lot to be said for being politically correct and not standing on anybody's toes. I like to do accents, but it's in no way to offend anybody. It's my way of showing respect and honor to a culture. If I imitate using certain voices or whatever, that's my way of honoring culture. All right. So yeah, love yourselves, be PC, politically correct, and remember to take a few moments in life to breathe. Right now, there's a gorgeous storm, a little trickle of rain coming from the sky, a wonderful avalanche of sweet, sweet waters just squirting into the atmosphere of the biosphere here and making the flowers glow and grow and radiate and emit gorgeous light. That's right, you guys. All of reality is composed of varying frequencies of the eternal light. The initial spark, the first bloom, the all stars converse. And that is truly divine. Appreciate that. Remember how important it is to express gratitude. When you're saying thank you, you're telling the universe, I want more of this. That's what you're doing. When you express gratitude, you're saying please and thank you. You're saying please may I have some more. When you're saying thank you, that's what you're doing. When you're expressing gratitude, that's what you're doing. You're saying please may I have some more. Do you know how the universe responds? Here, have as much as you like. Take all of it because it's all for you. And it's always, always been for you. Alright, we are 22 minutes and 33 seconds into this particular episode of the podcast, and I'm going to conclude. Check out the book, The Kabbalistic Master Ritual, and I'll be releasing the rest of the Honest Grimoire series as soon as my wonderful hiatus, my brief sabbatical, is concluded. I love you very, very much, you guys. Love yourselves, and thank you. Je t'aime, je t'aime, je t'aime. Amore.